Hi, my name is Daniel Hildreth. I am one of the front-end web development tracks through Code Louisville. I was encouraged to do a project that was of special interest to me, so I did a project called Leah Pugh Stories. Uh, so let's take a look at it.
Alright, I'm going to open my project up here in Google Chrome. The website I did with the project I did with Code Louisville is a website, Leah Pugh Stories. It is hosted at www.lpstories.com. This is a website that I did for an author friend of mine. So I have my main page here, um, purchase page here. This includes tabular data here. It shows which book is here, which book is out, which book it is, if it's available in ebook or paperback. Same thing down here. I have the about page here. Nice little image there. Link back to the purchase page, and then a link to Facebook. And then I have a contact page here. Um, this link here will take you to mailing Leah, and this link here will take you to the Facebook, as the icons indicate. I have a fixed nav bar at the top here. This icon here is my little logo that I have that takes you back to the home page. I have a fixed footer down here, tells you, the copyright, the website, who it was designed and coded by, which is me. This will actually, if you click this, this will mail me. And this is a Facebook icon that will take you to Leah's Facebook. And then I have here at the top of the fixed nav bar is just a little notification saying the site's under construction. Um, and then I have a few manipulations of the DOM. I have, when you click on the home page here, these pictures, instead of taking you to the default white page and background, it will actually pull up this nice full modal overlay image. Um, and it's got the picture and then a little excerpt of the book down here. This page, this link, or this image also does that. It pulls up an image and then the excerpt. The links underneath the books do the same thing because I incorporated them to do that. And it'll show this is the first book, that's the second book. The other manipulation of the DOM I have, this is incorporated through jQuery. The other manipulation I have is I have Bootstrap incorporated into the project. And when this is scaled down to smaller screens, I have this icon here. And then also, I have the image taken out from the modal here, and I just have the excerpt left. Um, and then same thing with the about page. The image is also gone. And the contact page is, instead of it being side to side, it is stacked. Um, my manipulation of the DOM is all in this text editor here. The text editor I used was brackets. I have my basic HTML file here for my index page. Your head, body, footer, meta tags, links, and if you noticed, I don't have my script tags up here at the top. They are actually down here at the bottom for better practice. I have the jQuery library incorporated. Instead of just downloading the whole jQuery library, I just incorporated it. I have the Bootstrap JavaScript, which is what gave me that nice little icon and things. And then I have my own JavaScript, which I incorporate jQuery, but my own JavaScript is what I use to actually code for the modal overlay. So that's all this here. I have my basic CSS file here. This is incorporating all the stuff here. I have gradients for the nav bar and footer, and then a gradient for the body page too. The overlay, as I was mentioning earlier, is right here. This is where the CSS for it is. And then down here towards the bottom, I have my media queries from 400 pixels going so far currently all the way up to 800 pixels. Uh, the bootstrap that I used to basically normalize my CSS was the bootstrap min.css, which you can see up here, right here, bootstrap.min.css, and the bootstrap theme.min.css. I just have them minified there. And then the purchase page, I have a tabular data. So this is actually all in a table here with the links here in it. And then I have Bootstrap incorporated with pretty much most of my classes in all these HTML files with rows and columns. That is actually why on the About page that when it's shrunk down to mobile size, it is actually side by side and it is stacked instead of side by side. So that is the project that I did with Code Louisville, and I hoped you guys liked it.
All right, thank you for looking at my project today. My next steps professionally with it is to build a blogging page with my website and to build an e-commerce store with it. Professionally, I am looking at to further my education with the skills I've learned with Code Louisville, and I want to be a junior web developer, so find a career path that suits that. Again, my name is Daniel Hildreth, and I am one of the graduates of the front-end web development track through Code Louisville. Thank you for watching today.